The diagnostic trouble codes P0051 and P0052 are related to the heater control circuit of the upstream oxygen sensor, Bank 2, Sensor 1. P0051 indicates that the heater control circuit voltage is lower than expected, while P0052 indicates that the heater control circuit voltage is higher than expected. These codes are commonly caused by a faulty oxygen sensor, damaged wiring, short circuits, poor electrical connections, a blown fuse, or an issue with the engine control module. Common symptoms include an illuminated check engine light, poor fuel economy, increased exhaust emissions, rough engine operation during cold starts, and delayed oxygen sensor warm-up, which can affect engine performance and emissions control. Here is one practical solution used to fix these error codes. The oxygen sensor. This oxygen sensor is located right before the catalytic converter. Bank 2 is on the side with the cylinder number 2. Sensor number 1 is usually the one in the exhaust manifold. Visually check the oxygen sensor's electrical connections, wire harness, and metal tabs for any damages. If damages are found, then replace the oxygen sensor. If there is no damage found on the oxygen sensor, you would need to take your car to consult professional mechanics. So here is one practical solution used to fix the P0050, P0051 and P0052 error codes. After the repair, you can now use the ZOOS app to clear the error code. And tap the rescan button one more time to make sure everything is fine with your vehicle. To save more money on car expenses, claim a free engine code scanner at the description link below, or check out the video here for more info. You're also welcome to leave comments below. Our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.